Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we continue our system design course. Today we will talk about automation. So let's imagine that we have this distributed system. It looks good, it looks great. And let's just make a quick overview of this distributed system and let's see what we will add to it, what the improvements that will be added when we add the automation to this system. So first we have a user. The user have a CDN. The CDN used to store all the static assets like images, CSS files, and JavaScript files. We have the DNS, which is the domain name system. The DNS purpose is to transform the human friendly reading domains like facebook.com or gmail.com or google.com into IP addresses, and the DNS will get the domain name of the specific of our system, and it will send back the IP address. When the user get the IP address, it will try to connect with the load balancer with the HTTP request, and the load balancer will distribute all the incoming requests across all the web servers that we have, and the web servers will take all the incoming requests, and accordingly they will do read or write requests to the database. Of course, we can have cache systems, we can have message queue, but for the simplicity of this of the video, we didn't add this. We didn't add these. We have added logging and metrics to make sure that we have logging and metrics, and we to make sure that we monitor and diagnose and analyze the system behavior to make sure that we have we analyzing and we checking the health. So the logging is primarily used for recording specific events, activities, or messages granted by the application, services, or system components. And here the metrics focus on capturing the quantitative data about system performance and health. Basically, the metrics provide numerical measurements and statistics that helps assess the state of the efficiency of the system. And right now we want to talk about the automation, and let's just try to add this automation. Add the automation component here, and let's see about what the automation will do to us, what the automation will add to the system. So the automation in distributed system refers to use of automated process. So it's basically we use automated processes, tools, and scripts to manage, configure, deploy, monitor, and scale the various components of distributed computing environment. It plays a crucial role in simplifying complex system management tasks, improving efficiency, reducing errors, and ensuring the reliability the ability of distributed system. And let's just talk about what are the benefits from using the automation, because to be honest, they are a lot. They are really a lot. So the first, I would say, the complexity management. Let me try to copy this one, and we could read it together, because I guess by this way it will be way more efficient. So let's just do it like that. And yeah. Oh, this is great. So basically, we have the first thing is the complexity management. In distributed system often consists of numerous interconnected components and services running on multiple services or cloud instance. Manual configuration, managing, and monitoring these components can be extremely complex, and like from experience, it's really tough. It's really tough. It's not easy at all. Automation simplifies this task by providing a centralized and readable approach for that. The second thing, I guess, which you could be maybe familiar to, or maybe you could hear about, which is using the CI/CD pipeline. So here, the continuous integration and continuous deployment automation is cornerstone of the CI/CD pipelines, where code changes are automatically built, tested, and deployed to production. These processes this process improve the development and release cycle while maintaining the code quality. And also we have the consistency, which is one of the most important thing that we can that the automation add to us. So basically, the automation ensures consistency in system configurations and deployment across all nodes or instance. This this reduce the risk of configuration drift, where individual components or servers deviate from the desired state over time. Also, we can talk about the two more things, maybe three more things. First one that we want to talk about again is the efficiency. The automation tools can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans. This results faster deployment, updates, and scaling. And sorry, there was like a bird outside, so I'll just look at it. So which yeah, this results. Sorry. Let's go back. So this results in faster deployments, updates, and scaling of distributed systems, allowing organizations to respond quickly to change on demand. Maybe also we can add the error reduction. So basically, human errors can lead to system outage, security vulnerabilities, and performance issue. Automation minimizes the risk of human error by executing predefined and tested procedures consistently. Also, it's a great at scalability, and I guess this will be the last thing that we will talk about. Basically, here, as a distributed system need to scale resources up or down dynamically to handle varying workloads, manual scaling is impractical. Automation enables auto-scaling groups and auto-scaling based on predefined rules or metrics, ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently. Also, we could talk, maybe we could talk about more two things. First, yeah, like automation have a lot of benefits. We can talk about the cost optimization because automations help optimize resource allocation and reduce cloud infrastructure costs. Auto scaling, for instance, allow organizations to pay only for resources they need and at any time given. Also, we could talk about the monitoring and alerting, like the automation monitoring system. Sorry. Monitor. We can also talk about like monitoring and alerting. The automation monitoring system can continuously collect and analyze performance and health metrics when predefined thresholds are exceeded or anomalies are detected. Automated alerts can be sent to administrator for timely intervention. If in case you are worried about these benefits, I will just put them in description. So feel free to read them and study from them. And yeah, that's it for this video. And I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And see you guys in future problems.